Calaquachero checking out in our hotel here in Nancy, France. Come and join us. We will explore Nancy. Yes, we are in Nancy, France, and just here actually behind our hotel they have a church here. Yeah, but the church is closed actually, pity. Yeah, but at least we have a nice picture by the church here by the Nancy train station, actually just the opposite side of Nancy Gare de Nancy. This is the train station here in Nancy. So we will have picture by the train station, and we will walk here in the surrounding where our hotel is actually. And they also have like Arc de Triomphe. Yeah, that is the nice entrance of Nancy, and it's built actually from 1700. This gate of Nancy going to Nancy Centrum. So nice, huh? It's not really so old, but it's beautiful. We will have a look at the city center of Nancy. Come and join us. We will go there. Oh, before we go, we find a nice shop. Actually, it's a bakery, but they also have a chocolate, and it looks so yummy. Yummy bakery here in Nancy, France.
A few moments later.
We drive. Actually, you can walk to the city center by Stalistas, but we go by car.
Go past these lights, then at the next set, turn left. In 800 meters, keep right.
The other side.
And the other side, the train station.
Turn left.
Yeah, there is the church.
At the next stop sign, turn left.
There's a church, so we can look there for us parking, because that is the church, the cathedral. We reached the Cathedral of Nancy. This is the Cathedral of Nancy. It's quite big, huh?
Salinas?
Going to Stanislas.
That's the side.
So,
Tanilas. Pinukunan siya. Oh, sorry. sorry. Yeah, I get the whole building.
There, so that's why you didn't see it.
So we go here inside of the Cathedral of Nancy. From 1700, the cathedral. Nancy Cathedral. Here.
Sounds like this city is from 1700.
Hello.
Welcome to the cathedral. This is your first time to the cathedral?
Yes. Holland. Look at this. Cathedrals. They are renovating. Look at that. Oo, nire-renovate nila. Wow, ate, tingnan mo yung taas ng katedral. Wow, ang ganda naman ng taas. Yun o, yung painting sa taas tayo. Daming angel. Yan. Ganda. Kaso nare-renovate nila doon.
Yes, we're entering now the Stanislas, the place, the square. Look, this is the square, the golden square.
From there, from the
Wow.
church.
And it's from the church, from the
Kami dito sa
cathedral,
Golden
just go
Gate.
straight, and you will find out with this old golden gate. The golden
Daming
gate.
gold. Look at this. Beautiful. There's a lot of gold galing sa sanlaan. Ang dami. O, diba? Ate, parugin to lahat yan, o. Kaya, wow! Ganda naman ng square nila. Daming gold. Oo. Yeah, it's Golden Square. There is... Huh?
What is it called?
No, this is the square of Nancy, the Stalinas, how you call it?
Look, all the building with gold,
One,
gold covered. Pwede na isanla, and the gate also, it's gold.
Three.
You can bring it to the pawn shop. Ayan. Kaya tinititigan ni Ate Ems na rin daw niya sa sanlaan. O, diba? Wow. And this is also the long building, is the...
Yeah, that's the arc where we came from.
Nice, huh? Look, gold and everything is with gold. All the building here by the square.
Ayan pala Hotel de Ville.
Stanislas. It's called Place Stanislas. And everything is with gold. Gold, gold, gold. And they have a gate going to their museum. Actually, that is the museum.
1, 2, 3.
Here in the Stanislas, you will go
cannot
inside
see
and
the
have
other.
another gate. And you can go to the palace. It's like a palace, but
It's a
inside
view.
it is a museum.
But look,
Yeah, it's quite far, so we don't go there.
Believe you.
But that is that one, the long one.
may cafe, Fountain of Youth, Hotel de Ville, Stanislas. Ayan yung papunta sa palace nila. Look. That's the palace here in Nancy. Tayo yung sa Tinas. Stanislas. Paano ba yun? Paano ko i-pronounce? Ayan. Sige. Papunta dun sa kanilang look. Papunta sa palasyo. Look. So ito yung Prinsipe Pacifico, Prinsipe Victoria. Ayan o, papunta sa kanilang palasyo. Yung gate papunta sa palasyo dito sa Nancy. Ayan, at saka yan ang Hotel de Ville. O diba, lahat golden talaga, grabe. Golden Square here in Nancy. Lahat ang paligid ay kulay gold. Ganda. Ayun o. Yeah, we can go there now. Golden Square. The Golden Square here in Nancy, in Stanislas. Stanislas pala yun. We go to the Fountain of Youth. Ayan, babata ka pag pumunta ka dyan. Ito yung opera nila pala, de Lorraine. The musical, ano. Yeah. And there's the church, the cathedral. Ayun ang cathedral. Diba? Where? Oh, yung bata. So the Fountain of Youth. Halika, make a picture here. Choten.
And this is the Fountain of Youth. Bata ka. Kaya kailangan makapagpakuha. By the gate, yung kumina namin. And the Fountain of Youth. Also, it's all gold.
1, 2, 3. Sunshine. And this is the citadel here
Like a bunker.
in Nancy.
And I love but check if that is a bunker.
Anong meron sa taas? What they have inside? Ayan. No, we go and check. Ayan, likod ng building. Sa harapan. What they have is a parking.
For sure,
But
none of them
hindi
see
daw
the
yan
building.
Kaya,
It's only a parking.
kami ay tapos na
Ay, ano ba yan?
magpapatsa dito sa Stanislas. And we're now going out.
To church.
Nancy.
Bye for now,
Watching
Nancy.
movies.